some news now coming in. Yet another controversial tweet from former colonel of the army, now journalist Ajay Shukla. Retired Colonel Shukla has tweeted, and I quote now from his tweet. Some context to why Ladakhi MP Jamyang Namgyal always backs the BJP. Ladakhi politics is a bipolar contest between the Leh-centered Buddhists and the Shia Muslims of Kargil and Leh. Over the few years, RSS has backed the Buddhists, who are now distinctly saffron. That's the tweet that is now raising a lot of hackles. He, of course, has given his view on what the bipolar nature of politics in Ladakh is currently, and this is problematic to some people. Let's go across to Pradeep Datta for more on this. Pradeep, what are the reactions you're getting on the latest tweet by Colonel Ajay Shukla, who's also put out another tweet suggesting that there has been absolutely no true pullout as far as the Chinese is concerned?
See, in fact, if we look at Ajay Shukla's tweet, it's the very dangerous language he has used. What he's trying to do, one, he's trying to pitch one community against other, one region against other. He's trying to insult Buddhist community by calling them that they are saffronites. And third thing is that we have already seen the kind of the stories he had been writing in the recent past. All those stories had been pro-Chinese, where he's trying to portray a very dismal picture so far as deployment of the Indian troops in the Ladakh sector is concerned. But he's failed to answer the question, because it's very easy to, in fact, criticize a person where he's trying to hit out at BJP MP for saying that he's pro-BJP. Obviously, he's a BJP MP, he will be pro-BJP. But you are portraying each and every person there in Ladakh as a saffronite. That's not the right thing. And the second thing is that he had asked very pertinent questions. One was, everybody knows about the Nehruvian blunders in 1962, what really happened because of the defeatist policy. We were able to concede that more than 38,000 square kilometers of land, that's called Aksai to China, and never ever made effort to take back that land. Then in 2008, there used to be a place in Demchok that was, we used to have a Zorawar fort. That Zorawar fort was destroyed by Chinese, and now there is an observation post. Then there used to be a trading point between China and India in Dumsale area. That area has also been occupied by China. And then there is a Shyam Saran report. I think he has forgotten about the Shyam Saran report, that foreign secretary who presented a report in 2013 when Manmohan Singh was Prime Minister of the country. In that report also he clearly mentioned how China was nibbling India land. But that report was in fact brushed under the carpet, and nobody in fact tried to do anything in this regard. But here is a government, if they are trying to do something, instead of waiting out and instead of coming out with facts, what you are trying to do is, we are trying to pitch one community against another. I think this is like he is creating a wedge. He is playing a very dangerous game. Being an army colonel, the former army colonel, this was not really expected from him. But I think this is a very sorry state that certain people don't understand that they are playing into the hands of China. That way they will be helping enemy more. Because no doubt you maybe not be liking the BJP or the NDA government. That's your personal choice. One can't force you to like a government. But at least you should be careful, because being a former army officer, at least you should think about the country and national security, because I am no one to teach you or tell you what exactly you have to do. Because this is something which we feel that is in the DNA of each and every army officer, whether he's a former army officer, whether he is serving army officer. But unfortunately, what exactly is happening, that he's not answering those questions with pertinent questions which were asked by Sering Namgyal, a BJP member parliament. What instead he's trying to do, he's trying to pitch one community against other, trying to say that everybody knows about the bipolar nature of politics that is existing in Ladakh. That's between the Leh and Kargil, that's between Shia and the Buddhists.
All right,
and the,
RSS thank you for your inputs here. Colonel Ajay Shukla clearly rattling a lot of people there with certain tweets of his. He, of course, would assume and would believe that his analysis of the nature of politics in Ladakh is right. I can't speak for him. He'll have to do that for himself. Thank you, Pradeep, for joining us. We move on now to the other